Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. As you can see, today I have a special guest. This is my daughter Sarah.
Hi!
And she's gonna help me out a little bit today because we not only got one, but we got two amazing project boxes that I want to show you today. I got the Sew Sampler, which is the January 2021, and I got this new box called the Pastry Shop Quilt box of treats. Now this is a brand new box for this company, and I will list their website down below, as I will also list Fat Quarter Shop, the link to both these boxes. This is still available as of this taping, and of course the Sew Sampler is a rolling program, so both of them are subscriptions. And somebody asked me a little bit ago about some subscriptions that are a little bit more affordable. So this one is a little bit more than the Sew Sampler, but it seems like it's a pretty good value based on what they said was going to be in here, but I haven't opened it yet. I did cut the tape on both of them, but we haven't seen them yet. And Sarah picked the pink box, so she's going to show you the contents of the pink box, and I'm going to show you the Sew Sampler. So hold on just a minute and we'll get these open. Okay, so this is the Sew Sampler box. This is the January 2022 box. And if you get the Sew Sampler, you know that they are a little bit delayed. Not their fault. Everything is still delayed in the quilting world. Everything is delayed everywhere. I'm sure everybody knows that across the world, globally. Fabrics that I'm waiting for my project box were supposed to be in January are now not coming until the middle of April, hopefully, fingers crossed. So it's a little bit delayed, so we still need to get February, and it's already March, so our February-March boxes are also going to be late. But the thing I like about Sew Sampler box is, even if it's not always my taste, I pass on the things in it that aren't my taste, but it's still a great value for the box. This box is $24.95 a month plus shipping, which for me puts it about just under $32. So let's get this one open. Like I said, I've cut the tape, but I haven't peeked yet. So, oh, this is Smitten With You, January 2022. That's pretty. The rose.
Yeah, it's pretty.
And then on the back, there's a coupon code, which Sew Sampler gives you every time, for 25% off patterns and 20% off Fat Eighth bundles. But I'm not going to show you that because it's only a code for Sew Sampler members. And I did read on their website that they have extended all their coupon codes since the products are so late. Oh, I see a lot of really fun stuff and something on top that I recognize right away. So in all my videos, you guys see me using the Acorn pressing pen. Well, Acorn also makes glue, which you can glue your seams together, or for applique, and they've included a bottle of glue from Acorn in this box. So that's great, because I had a bottle in mine. Actually, I've had it so long that it dried up. So that's great. I love that I got that. And this looks like a pin cushion. That's really cute. Magnetic pin cushion. Ooh, so far this box is awesome. Okay, here's the little paper that they put in every month. Chain piece thread. Oh, a cutting gizmo. This is very similar to the blade savers that I use, which we call Ninja Stars, to cut apart chain piecing. You want to open that while I look at the brochure? And then, oh, I knew this was going to be a beautiful day. I could tell from the preview. I'm going to go ahead and rip this open because I know I'm keeping this and going to use this. For all of you who watch my channel, and maybe those who don't, who are brand new, Corey Yoder is my favorite fabric designer. She's an Ohio gal just like me, so I'm really excited to get this. So here's the fabrics. Oh, this is pretty.
That one's my favorite.
Oh, that's gorgeous, isn't it? It's tea rose with the flowers. Green. Oh, I like this one too. The charcoal with the little buds. This pink floral. The red with the buds. This gray charcoal with, oh, that one's really pretty too. Mm-hmm. Because I'm saying that about everyone, I think. Red with the little sprigs.
No, that one's my favorite.
Pink with the buds. And a green dot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, and I believe these are fat eighths. They feel like a fat eighth. So 12 fat eighths. Oh, that's great. That's gorgeous. So let's go through the, oh, you've got that open? Okay, so this looks like their version of a blade saver. It looks like it goes together up here. Oh, and that's nice. They give you a little screwdriver to open it up and put a blade in. So what you do is you use a used rotary cutter blade and put it inside there, which they've already got a blade in here. And you, when you're chain piecing, you can put those threads or those pieces right in between here and cut the threads apart. So I wish I had something sewn together so I could show you, but that's nifty. It's just like the blade saver. It's a little bit bigger though and bulkier. So I would probably give this away just because I do love my blade saver and it's smaller, doesn't take up as much space. But if you don't already have a blade saver, this is a great thing to have. So this is a $14.48 value. Let's see. Yeah, these are fat eighths, a 12-piece fat eighth, which is a $23.98 value. So we're already over the value of the cost of the box. The seam align glue is $6.48, and the pin cushion, which is adorable, is $7.48. And then the only other things left in the box are the pattern and the block. So every year, Fat Quarter Shop does a sew along, and they give you a block for the month for the year. So this year it was the Bright Side Quilt Along from Sherry McConnell of Sherry and Chelsea, or yeah, they are fabric designers for Moda. So this is the block for this month. And then, oh, this is pretty, look.
Oh, that's pretty.
This pattern is called Daydreams Quilt Pattern, an exclusive from Fat Quarter Shop. So there's two sizes. You can make a mini quilt, which if you use the fat eighth bundle, oh wait, exclusive that. Oh, okay. So the fat eighth is enough for the mini or the lap size quilt because there's two sizes in here, and then you'll just need to add various amounts of background fabric, accent, borders, and binding, and of course backing. So, but the quilt is real pretty. You're gonna see that with the lights. So I always love their patterns. Their patterns are really well written, always in this pretty color brochure. That might be a better view of the quilt. Very nice. Okay, so this was a great box. I think I love everything in here. Probably the only thing I won't keep is this, but that's just because I already have a blade saver. Actually, I have two blade savers. So it'd be repeating the same thing, but I can give that away, no problem. So that's the sew sampler. That's the January 2022 sew sampler. Great box. Okay, you want to open yours? Okay, this is the Pastry Shop. Come a little closer. Quilts.
It's just white.
Yeah, Pastry Shop Quilts box of treats. This is their very first project box, so I'm super excited to show you guys and bring it to you. Very cute inside, just white. Okay, go ahead and rip that open. You want to read it?
Thank you for purchasing the treat box.
Treat box number 1, Frankie's Heart. I had so much fun designing this and putting it together for you. I hope you love your box and have fun with the goodies inside. And she talks a little bit about the stuff inside, which we'll get to. Oh, and she also put some beautiful day in here. So we're going to have a lot of beautiful day. I'm excited about that. Okay, so this box is her very first box. Let me grab so I can tell you guys about it. It's $39.95 a month. The shipping comes in a flat rate priority mail, so it's $8.50 for shipping. So for a total of $48.45. So you can either buy this as a subscription or you can get it month to month. If you get it month to month, it's a little bit more. I believe it was $45.95 maybe. It was a few dollars more than if you purchased a subscription. So I went ahead and got the subscription. She did show a little bit of a preview of what would be in the box. And I was kind of very excited about it. So I went ahead and subscribed. You can cancel anytime. You're not locked into like a year at a time or anything like that. So I thought that was a good deal. So go ahead and let's show them what's in here. Ooh.
A red and pink jelly roll.
That's Stitch Pink jelly roll. That is Moda Grunge. Here, I'm going to take the plastic off so they can see that. You want to show them that mini charm? Yes.
A beautiful day mini charm pack.
There. Beautiful Day mini charm pack from Corey Yoder, which is the same fabric we just got in the Sew Sampler, so that's awesome because, yeah, love the fabric. So there it is, Stitch Pink, Motor Grunge, all the pinks, very pretty, and reds, goes from pink to red. Ooh, that's nice.
And then a Cherry Blossom Best Press.
Nice.
And then pink thread.
See, that's a Metler. It looks like a 40 weight, no, 50 weight, sorry. Metler 50 weight pink thread, so that's cute.
And then what is this?
This is, you put these around your spool of thread, just like this, see?
Oh. Okay.
So it holds your thread. When you've already started to unspool it, it holds your thread together. So that's kind of neat. I don't know, go ahead and open it. And it looks like she gave us a little treat in here. I know who this is going to.
I love it.
She loves Lindor chocolates. So that's going to her. And then while she's opening whatever that little goodie was, I'll pull the rest of the stuff out of the box. Put this over here. It makes a lot of noise. It looks like we've got, what is that?
It looks like binding.
Oh, nice. It's not binding, but it's just like a little strip of pink fabric. But she had it all wrapped up cute, like a
Lollipop.
like a lollipop. So that's fun. Then let's see what this is. There's a lot of stuff in this box. Okay, that's cute. A couple other pieces of fabric. I'm not sure what they're for. We'll see in a minute. But this has X's on it. It's just like a charcoal gray with X's. And then this has got some hearts on it. Okay. And then, oh, I like this. Okay, so it looks like those fabrics go with this pattern. She wrote this pattern. It's copyrighted to her, Pastry Shop Quilt, so that's amazing. And it's a printed colored pattern. It's called Frankie's Heart, and it comes out to 60 by 60. And it uses the Junior Jelly Roll. Oh, it says plus one more 2.5 inch strip, which is this. The 8 inches of black check fabric, and the 10 inch of pink heart fabric. And then you need 2 3/4 yards of background fabric and 1/2 yard of binding to finish the top. So this is the quilt. It's very, very pretty. I love this quilt. So again, it's called Frankie's Heart. And as of this taping, there's still these boxes left. So if you guys are interested, I really love this quilt. It's really pretty, look.
Yeah, it's pretty.
So I will be making this for sure. All right, so that is the Pastry Shop, their new subscription box. Okay, so that was the boxes. This is the Sew Sampler, and that's the Pastry Quilt Shop box. I hope you enjoyed this, and we are very blessed and lucky. We got quite a haul today, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've got some sewing to do. So thank you all for coming by. Don't forget to forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so when I post videos like this or go live, you'll be notified. Thank you so much again, and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.
Bye.